Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7a and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. Alright, so first of all we have to enter the settings and let's start with activating the developer options. We have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see a proper information. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I've just recorded a video about it, so I highly recommend to check it and come back to this video. So, after getting back to the general settings and activating the developer options, we have to enter the system and updates and tap on developer options. And basically all we have to do right here is to scroll down until we will see the automatic system updates. So you don't have to scroll really a lot because it should be in this first section. So in my case, this option is turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. And from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to manually update your device. However, you really have to remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically, that's all. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your Honor X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.